All right, everybody, welcome one, welcome all. How you guys all doing out there today? What a lovely bloody day we have today here, right? Lovely bloody day. So yeah, pretty crazy, right? Pretty crazy. So listen, this is our support. We're sitting on it. Like we have to find some support right here, 10,200, and at least get some kind of a squiggle bounce, right? And one of the things I'm going to do first before I just this is kind of my main chart that's running right here. Like our resistance is right in here. It's pretty much this 10,500, a little bit lower, a little bit lower, a little not that low, right about there to right in here. This is our resistance right now. So we've got a new resistance area, and I'm going to plop this in here, right? There's the resistance, and we're sitting at about 10,500 and about 30 or 20. We'll put 20 all the way up to 10,750, I think it is. So we're kind of in this range where we've got, this is where our resistance is. So I would like to see some kind of a little bounce back into this, a little relief bounce, and then one more move down, right? This is, I mean, we're kind of on, sitting on, parked on the 236 support right here. And I mean, I was kind of hoping we see a little bit of bounce before we come down here, you know, reload those shorts again before we come down one more time. This is kind of exactly what I'm hoping for, and I have nowhere to put my charts. I got to pull out every find someplace. All right. And this is kind of what I'm thinking right here, okay? All right, hold on a second. Move this, move this, move this. All right. All right. All right, so this is kind of what I'm thinking right here. So we're sitting on this support, just barely holding on by the little hair of our chinny chin chins, right? And what we're going to do is that we're going to break down a couple of super important charts. I'm going to get back to the line chart. All right, take a look at the BTC dominance chart. BTC dominance in this massive trend channel. Look, touch, 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 all the way up here, bottom touch, bottom touch. So this is a big channel for BTC, right? Big channel for BTC. Alts are doing not a bad job. Alts are actually looking like the alt market cap is actually holding up. That means that somebody's putting something in a few alts, that some of the money's coming out and going into a few alts. I haven't really seen what's popping lately. We did get this double top on the line chart. So listen, if you don't have the line chart, one of the charts you should be using is, you guys should be using a line chart, right? You need to use a line chart. Set it on the 12 hours for BTC, okay? And then you can drop all your fibs on this bad boy, right? I'm telling you, the line chart works some magic pixie dust on it, right? So look, double top right there. This was a double top up here, double top there. Nice reversal, nice bottom reversal right here. So, you know, listen, I'm going to pull the support area out. And let's see what we find. Okay, let me get rid of all this stuff. All right. Actually, our support, wait, let me pull this all back. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Our support is now all the way down here. This is our support right there. All right, let me get this out of here. Okay, hold on a second. Let me figure this out. Okay, we're on the 618. 50618. See, see anything but price action that's there. I mean, honestly, this is the other area I see. I see price action right where we're at. Right? See, look at that. We've got the 5-0, we've got the 618, we've got all these wicks in here. Right? We got all these wicks. Look, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. We got all these wicks in here. Like this, we've got to hold this as support right here. At least for a bounce. Right? We at least need to hold this for a bounce. Right? At least something like this. Right? At least something like that. Like this is our support. Look, and then take a look at this. So then clone. And then look, there's the resistance area that we ran back into up above. So look, if you squeeze this down right here, right? See all the resistance right in here? Bang, 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 bang. So that's going to be our resistance level. Right? There's our resistance right there now. Okay. All right, let's move along. Chalk and money flow. Support there. Let's see here. Let me loosen this up right here. Let me pull this bad boy out. Nope, that didn't do anything. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, nope, nope. Nothing. God damn, guys. Why are the shorts falling out of the sky? Like, I get it right now. People are taking profit. That was a nice big fat dump. Like, people are taking profit. But, dude, I can't say anything, but shorts just are in disbelief. Listen, you don't want to short in a bull market. I get it, right? 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 Shorts are clearly in disbelief right now, right? Because it's just never a good idea to short in a bull market, right? I mean, clearly in a bull market, and but the shorts are just, they've lost their goddamn minds. Like, they're just afraid. The shorts are absolutely in fear to short. They're just, the shorts are all afraid that they're going to get wrecked by the whales. And that's exactly when you get wrecked, right? I mean, that's exactly when the whales make their most money, is when you're the one who's afraid, right? That's very simple, okay? Yep, nothing there. Got rejected up in the resistance area right here on the weekly, so the weekly got punted out. My chart to hit this, because this massive weekly double top up here still hasn't been hit down here at the 54, right? So I was looking at the 54 down here as support, still haven't got there yet. ADX chart is showing us that we still haven't truly gone bearish here on the ADX, right? Let me show you guys this. So if you take a look, right, look at that. I mean, we're trying right here. We're trying, right? Let me delete that. So we're trying to break bearish right here. So what needs to happen is you need to get the blue line underneath both the orange and this pink and green histo line, right? So look at all of this. If you take a look at this, this is all bull market right here, right? All this is bull market. See, all this, all this, all this, all of this, right? All this is all bull market right there, right? You can't do anything. That's just what that is. That's all bull market. And you mean, dude, you guys, we can go back all the way back to really, I mean, December. This is the last time we had our bear market. We see where our bear market was. Okay, like this is where the bear market basically ended, right here in December, right? This is where it ended. This is the last time the bears had control. You see, this was the chop up point. This is like Fruit Ninja, right? So this is like Fruit Ninja, right? This is like Fruit Ninja right here, right? And there, oh, my horrible end. Let me see, listen, my artistic skills are lacking. All right, there's the Fruit Ninja zone. And then all of this is all the bull market, right? This is the December bear. This is where the bear ended, right? That's where the bear ended, and that's where we found Baby Bull Jesus for this run, right? And then that was it, right? but right now we're still in the chop up zone, right? We're in the chop up zone. Nothing has changed right now. So right now where we're sitting right here, this is Fruit Ninja zone, right? This is Fruit Ninja. This is our Fruit Ninja zone. This is where, whatcha, right? This is a hardcore area to trade because everything is still so close to each other. This is where people like to get very wrecked, and you got to just be very careful playing this game in here with the Bears and the Bulls, right? You got to be a really good trader as you're playing this out, because this is not normal how that fell out like that. Just not normal. Yeah, like they say, a lot of people. You can see where we've turned the resistance back into the support back into the resistance on the Gauss chart. So there's the 12-hour Gauss held for a second on the mean Gauss line. Mean Gauss line on the daily was penetrated, still up here at 10,500. The higher time frame, so the 3-day and the weekly, are still way off base, man. They're just so far off base over here. That, listen, 9,000 on the 3-day, 95.56 is the support on the 3-day right now, 95.56, and then it just gets really ugly on all the other ones. You're way down into the eights, and then just you're blown out down there way below. The 12-hour, listen, the 12-hour, we're so far outside the Bollinger Band on the 12-hour. This is going to close out soon. What you're going to see is a massive dive on this indicator right here. So this indicator, this purple indicator, is just going to dive super hard, but we're going to be outside of the indicator right there. So I'm going to mark that as purple. So we're just going to be watching this because we're really oversold on this these lower time frames, especially on the Bollinger Bands right here. Right, so the 12-hour Bollinger Band, we're just looking for this move down. This is why I'm saying, possibly a little ziggy-zaggy and then a little droppy drop as it gets back inside the Bollinger Band on the 12-hour, right? 12-hour BB is deep, right? Oversold right now, right? We're still looking for that 12-hour. So here's all of our lower bone. Look, the 12-hour is the only one that's really overblasted out. You're still well inside the daily for the daily, the 2-day, and the 3-day. And take a look at this. All of these are screaming to us. They're all screaming support right now at 9K. So even if we had some just absolutely catastrophic fallout, right? I just can't, we're not going, it's going to be like super, super hard, right? To get past this. 9K has the Great Wall of China. No pun intended, right? 9K has the Great Wall of China at it. It's just going to be just monstrous to break through 9K. Just monstrous. Like 97, yeah, get down there in the bottom of the triangle, but we're going to have a bounce. And I think we're hopefully seeing a bounce right now, right? Over the last 12 hours, you guys saw the volume drop. We still got a lot of time left in this candle right here. So let's see how this candle closes out right here on the 12-hour. Now, the way it sits right now, though, it's still a bearish candle. The monthly... This is, okay, so let's talk about the monthly for 1 second, okay? Oops, there. Right. Let's talk about the monthly for just 1 second, okay? What this is called right now, just the way it's sitting, okay? Just the way it's sitting. This is called a double doji down, right? We're sitting in a double doji down pattern. That's what that is. It's a double doji down pattern, and let me go find that for everybody. On the monthly. Now, remember, we got a long time in this month, right? We got a long time in this month, so give me a second. Let me find the double doji down. Double doji down. Uno momento, please. Where are you? Hold on. Looking for it. Ah, there it is. Got it. So there it is right there. This is called a double doji down right here, okay? So a double doji down is when you get this kind of a pattern after a big fat run, right? You get a big fat run just like we had right here, right? And then you get a huge breakdown, right? So this is a double doji down right here. Now, a double doji down doesn't usually have to retrace all the way back, right? But you can see we do have a chunk load of support down You know, listen, I can't see this taking off into like the 3K regions and stuff like that right now. I mean, it's just too much. I just think we need a reset. People are taking profits. This is still posted up though. Like this is the bear version, but this is still posted up in a bullish triangle still. A bullish flag. Sorry, we're still set up in a bullish flag right now in this higher time frame. So this is either going to be that or we're going to chunk off into a massive bull flag with support at, I mean, Jesus Christ, 8,700 ish, right? 8,700 ish. So if you come over here and you pull something like this, and you're just going to estimate out something like this, right? Come here, there you go. Make it even be something like that, right? I mean, that's 8,700 right there if we don't fall out just right now. So there's either you're going to break into this massive bullish flag, right? With 87 to 8,500 is kind of your support range. Go like this, right? And then how we're going to find that support range is we're going to drop a massive chunky fat fib on it. Whew! Right at the 5-0. Right? Right at the 5-0. So we're just going to line that bad boy up with the 5-0 to cross section with the 5-0. Right? Support here at 0.50. Also the gap, right? All right, there it is right there. All right, moving along. Oh, easy. Look at this. Bounce, baby, bounce. Bounce for me, right? So we're going to go down here. We still do have this bear cross right here. Listen, this is a bleeding TD9. This needs to bounce, right? This completely needs to bounce, right? There it is. That needs to bounce. You also have a bear cross. Listen, you have a shitload of bear crosses coming. So just watch out for all of these bear crosses coming. The daily, same thing. Daily's not going to happen today, but you could also bear crosses trying to work the blood. Right? So you got some bear crosses that's trying to come up, and this would be another daily bear cross. You have a 12-hour bear cross that just happened. You got to be also careful because when the 7 rips through this 50, it's not going to happen in like a day and a half. That'll also be a second bear cross. But you got this bear cross on the 6-hour coming. You do have a bear cross pending right now on the 4-hour. But like I said, you're still, this is all looks like, now, this right here is an imperfected TD9. Imperfect TD9. This is bearish, right? This is bearish. Oop. There we go. That's bearish. Okay, but the volume's still strong on the lower time frames. Volume's still ugly on the lower time frames. Dipping off in the 12-hour. Still strong daily volume right now, right? Strong daily volume, right? Lots of bear crosses coming soon. And also look for a TD9 bleeding reversal on the lower time frames for a bounce. All right, there we go. Okay, there's that, nothing. OBV, listen, the OBV weekly, once again, people, look at this bad boy. I mean, look at this bad boy. This has got like 9 lives right here. This trend line is like the trend line of 9 lives, just like the 3-day trend line was. Bang, 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 bang. And I've been telling everybody, watch out for this head and shoulders here for the longest time. This is pitching up to be a super ugly head and shoulders. I've been warning everybody about this. Like, this is what we got to keep an eye on this. Ding. Oh, where are we at? Danger. This looks like, oops, looks like a massive H and S, right? And then we're going to go over here and we're going to title this one the trend line of 9 lives, right? the weekly OBV trend line of 9 lives. Like, this thing is just like does not want to let go. It's like, nope, I'm holding on, not gonna let go. You see where all our support is though, that 9,700 range area right there, right? Right, and yeah, blah, 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 blah. Still got a gap open up higher. What we're going to do is we're going to take off this gap. This gap got filled right here, so there goes that. Gappy filled. And listen, I always say, the Futures Mafia always fills their gaps. Futures Mafia always fills their gaps. And now we got a gap all the way up here, 11,800. This is good because this means that what I'm looking for to play out is still completely on the table. Here's my long-range chart, boys and girls, right? This is my long-range chart. I'm going to stretch this out here, okay? But take a look at my long-range chart here. I still think I'm looking for this down, Philly these gaps down here, then run to 20K, then get rejected. This is my long-term chart, and man, did this baby play out like a gem. This is my purple line that I drew, and that purple line played out like a gem. Long-term chart playing out nicely. All right. This is our warning chart. So this is where we're going to drop our warning signals. Okay. So this is where we're going to come over here. We're going to drop all our warning signals because this is where the bear market happens. Look, RSI bear market breaks through the green zone and just makes it an ugly time, right? Look at this, the bull run that we just had, right? And then here we are, people, we're sitting right here, haven't had, look, this was a poke, a little peak, and then here we are, we're down below it again. So historically, we are at the bear line and the bear market. Everybody should just be aware of this, right? All this does is mean, listen, we just need a reset. That's all it is. Not freaking out about anything, okay? Not freaking out about anything. Tons of fun. Ooh, kind of looks like a big head and shoulders. Also now looks like a huge H and S formed. Right, that looks like a huge freaking head and shoulders. There's that. Oh, support. Oh yeah, we just bounced off our support right there. And all right. Okay, so let's go back to our main chart. We're going to plop on our information. So listen, I don't think anything has changed right here. Okay, so we're going to add one zone, right? We're going to add one zone right here. Like this is now our oh shit zone. Oh shit zone, right? This is all the lower BBs on higher time frames, right? That's what this is right here. This is all the lower BBs on the higher time frames right here. Zone, okay. This is the Great Wall of China. Okay, gonna put you right here. Okay. All right, so the charts are set. I'm set. I'm ready. This is exactly. I don't think I see anything else playing out here. Nope. We're looking for the support box is still lower, right? The this chart has just been playing out magical. Everything looks good, and that's it. Yes, Jomo, I did. But remember, it just the tether fairies love to play their game. All right, so listen, that's it, everybody. I want to say thank you all for being here, and I am the Vamp, and looking for a new home soon. I'll see you guys all very, very soon. All right, I am out.